Alright, so what they did is they're going to write this in standard form, okay? I want you to notice right here that you have a 4x to the third, no x squared, then a 5x, and then a 7. So we had a third power, not a second power. That's why we left the space. Then we have 1 to the first power. That's that invisible little 1 power right there, okay? And then we have a 7. So that's why they left the space.
Oh, okay. But I don't have to write that, do I?
You don't have to. You don't have to. And so then here we have a 3. Oh, we have a 3 here, a 2 here, no 1. And so they left a space for the 1. Okay?
Got it.
So that when you're going in to write your like terms, right in here, this lines up. There's nothing to line up here, nothing to line up here, and nothing to line up here. As opposed to when I did it, mine are not in standard form. I have a 3 over here, and a 2 over here, and my 1 here, and my none there. You understand?
Okay, yeah.
So when they do it this way, theirs will be in standard form when it's done.
Oh,
Okay? Okay.
I'll just always forget to put those little circles.
Yeah, and I think they're just showing the circles to indicate that's a space. You could just scoot over.
Because if I do that, it'll look like a 0. Like, you know, like when I write that, if I were to write it, if I were to accidentally write a 0.
Exactly. Yeah, don't write that.
I don't want to do
exactly.
that.
Don't write that. I think we're going to do this one again. Let's turn the page. We did this in, let's do some of your homework.
Okay.
And we'll do it like they're doing it. So, we'll do and it indicates, when writing polynomial. Okay, they're just telling you how to write your it to be in standard form. I don't think that means that you have to write it in standard form. When possible, they should be written in standard form, but should doesn't mean have to. Standard form for polynomials with one variable is written with descending powers, like we have a 4, a 3, a 2, a 1. Okay. Let's do this one, and let's do this one vertical, okay? And we'll do back and forth, okay? We have a 6x plus 3. Do I need to scoot over? Is this in standard form?
Yes, it is.
It is, because I have a 1 and then a none, right? And so the next one, the 5x gets put where?
Under that.
Under there,
and it's
okay?
in the same form also.
And it's in the same form also, so I'm good. And so, and then I have the plus 10, and I can just write it right underneath. Really nice. And then just
so 11x plus 13.
Very good. Okay. Let's do number 2. Just a second. I want to find one. Let's do this one, number 3. And I want to do it vertical also. Okay? I have an x squared minus 16. Do I need to scoot anything over?
No.
I do.
Wait. No. Oh, wait. Yes, you do, because it's not in standard form.
That's right. What's missing?
The 1.
The 1 in the middle. So I'm going to, instead of you writing the little circle that will help you not have it'll make it look
just
scoot it over and leave a blank there. Okay?
Okay.
The next one is 2x plus 4. Where does the 2x go?
Underneath. Oh. Can you put it in this blank
Yes,
spot?
you can put it in the blank spot. And then the plus 4?
Right under here.
Yes. Can I? There we go. So then I'm going to just add this. This comes straight down.
And then
this comes straight down. And there's a plus in there. And then I have negative 16 plus 4.
Negative 12.
Very good. Okay, so that's how those little big circles that they had on the book, they don't need you to draw the circles because like you said, you'd think it was a 0. Although it is a 0. It's not going to hurt anything, but it just leave them as spaces, okay? And then let's do one more with a vertical. Let's do a horizontal, I mean. 8x to the third minus 3x squared plus 5. For me, if this gets too long, this one only has 3 terms, but if they had a 4 and a 5 terms, sometimes it gets so long that you're even on your piece of paper, you'd maybe have to wrap it around. And so that's why if you ever got a big problem, the vertical method might be a little better. Because then you can line them up as you go. This is not too bad. Plus negative 2x squared plus 7x minus 1. Okay. So then, where's my like term with this one?
Right. Doesn't have one.
That's correct. So we just write 8x to the third. Where's my like term with that one?
Right there.
Yes. So then what do I have when I add those together?
5x. Wait a second. Negative 5x squared.
Very good. Okay, so what about that one? Is there a like term with that one?
Yeah, the 7x, so it'd become 12. Oh, wait, no, it doesn't have one.
That's right.
Wait, yes, it does.
Where?
Right
Oh,
here,
okay.
the -1.
All right.
So then it'd be 4.
Very good. Now, do you want me to write it next or put it in a space?
In a space.
Okay, so we're going to make that, you said what is that going to be?
4.
Very good. And then what goes here?
The 7x.
Very good. Plus 7x. That way, they wanted you to write it, if you could, in standard form. Okay?
Okay.
I think we got it.
Yeah, that's not hard.
Not hard.